For probably the final one of this series, I'm going to show you a bunch of other things, well, like these cutout notches here, but you can see I've done a bunch of what I already taught you. I've got a triangle partially behind this shape, which is stacked behind this shape. I've got a window in it, and my last one is going to be a notch, and a notch is basically cut out of the side. So if you look at this here, if I just take this corner back, it's like there's a window in the front of this thing going back into the shape. However, you can see my window is right up against the edge. So if I take this corner, and I take this to the back of my shape, and I take this corner, and I take it to the back of my shape, what I have just done when I erase this, so I basically just cut this notch out of the front, right? So if I erase this in the front, I erase in the back. Basically, whatever you do to the front, do the exact same thing to the back. Not a big deal. Okay, so I'm going to continue this further to my vanishing point. This is now like a porch on a side. So this is the underside of the roof, right? So I make the front and the back parallel. Same three rules, haven't changed. Here's the wall. Front of that is straight up and down. Back of it straight up and down. And as soon as it goes behind there, I can no longer see it. So I've just cut a notch out of the side. Okay, I'm going to do that exact same thing again. Okay, so once again, if this was a window, this corner would go back to my vanishing point, just like this. But if I say, you know what, that's on the side of my shape, I've decided I'm going to cut this out of the side of my shape. I erase that back and put my straight edge holder on the vanishing point there. So that corner goes to the back of my shape. This corner goes to the back of my shape. This one goes behind it, so I can't see it past that anyway. This side is straight up and down, and the back of that side is straight up and down. And I erase this, and there we go. So now I've got basically notches cut out of the shape. Okay, so real quick, if that's hard for you to see, I'm going to do a, not exactly a shading, but so you can sort of see the direction that these sides are going in. And there you go. So this back here is the block behind it. So here's a whole bunch of stuff you can do. Hope you have fun with it. Good luck and have a good one.